See, the day where you go realize, say, no be everybody where they shine teeth with you truly like you or even love you. That is the day you go learn how to be very careful with your life. Most of the deaths where young people they die today, if you check very well, now the kind friends where then they keep, now then they buy them. If you realize the kind of things some of the people you call friends they plan about you, you go know how you go minimize the numbers of friends where they keep. Not be everybody will give you drink, you go collect, drink amo. At times allow your toilet to help you to drink some drinks, because the heart of man they very wicked. The day you start to succeed, you go see friends, so but they're very careful, because from the thousands of friends where go come, enemies now them plenty pass. Now person when no person na in they buy person. Person when no know you no go feed do you. If you check very well, your enemy they very close to you. Yes now. If Cain fit buy his own brother Abel, waiting be friends. Hey, things they happen, I swear. But they're very, very careful of your life. This life no get duplicates. Now how you live them. The reason why some people know they get long life these days, we say that too they live life very, very as in careless. That they live careless life. You too they trust people. You too they keep friends. You don't get secret again. Anybody will come your way now your friend. Anybody will give you drink, you they drink calm. Anybody will no now life no be like that. As long as say they succeed, enemies go plenty. Then go even come in form of friends, but now your enemies. They very, very careful.